All right, wheel number 3 on the Maserati. It's going to be the same as the other two. Since it's the silver inset, we can paint these. And I'm going to sand all this, or I'm going to grind this out first and then sand it up and get it ready for the fine silver paint. While I'm getting set up here, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I will get working on this in just a second. So this is pretty deep. I'm still going to try to get it out with the red disc. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, I'm going to switch to the 60 grit to take this damage out. I'm just going to go ahead and take all that out with the 60 grit and then go over it with the red disc. Alright, and then we'll go over all that with the red conditioning disc to get those bigger scratch marks out from the grinder. Big scrape down the spoke here, but that's going to sand out. We'll go with the 320 grit to reshape and smooth this out. Now we'll scuff that. This would be a lot more work if this had a dark inset on these and we couldn't paint them. We would have to at least go over it again with an 800 grit, scuff it. There's one more on that spot I gotta get to. Scuff it, then probably wet sand it with a 3000 grit and polish it, and then clear coat it. So luckily they made one like they used to and did a silver inset on a machine face wheel. That's how they did them for years before they started making them a dark inset that are just not fun to repair. And that's pretty much all you see anymore. Oh, one more spot right here. Alright, so let's blow the dust off the wheel. Wipe the rest of the dust off. Get some of the dust off the tire. Might not all come off. It was just had tire shine sprayed on it. So, all right, then we'll hit this with the fine silver. If you were brushing on the paint with the kit that I have, you wouldn't have to use the scuff pad. You could just use the brush because it'll go on thicker and cover the fine scratches from the 320 grit. But with the spray, it works better if you scuff it. And again, this is the fine silver. Very similar to the medium silver. This just has finer and less flake in it. All right, then we seal that up with the clear coat. And on to the next wheel.